Hey, check this out. We have the 4th generation Honda Pilot and the 5th generation Nissan Pathfinder. Both of them are 8-seaters, 7 or 8-seater respectively. And for the Honda, this is the 2023 Honda Pilot, new redesign, 4th generation. And this is Nissan Pathfinder, redesigned from last year, the 5th generation. Now, let me know on the description, which one would you choose? Which design do you like better? Let me focus on the Honda right now to see the front grille design, everything from the Honda. This is the 4th generation Honda Pilot, and this is the Nissan Pathfinder, the 5th generation. Let me know what you think on the descriptions, which ones you think is nicer. Which one would you go with if you have to choose? This is the side. I'm going to show the side. 2023 Nissan Pathfinder redesign, 5th generation. The 5th generation was redesigned last year or for the 2022. So this is a refresh for the 2023. And this is the 4th generation Honda Pilot redesigned for the 2023. What do you think? Which ones would you go to if you have to pick? Well, now we're not focused on the features, just the design, the exterior design and the interior design. I just want you to see the exterior design first. After that, I'm going inside to show you the interior design. Again, this is the 4th generation Honda Pilot and the 5th generation Nissan Pathfinder. Let me know in the descriptions which ones you think is nicer, or which one would you go to if you have to choose one of them. Now let's see the interior of the Nissan Pathfinder first. This is the interior. This is how it looks like. Alright, I'm going to start it in it shortly, but I just want to have you see it first. And this is the second row seat. This one has captain chair. Everything right here. And this is the back for the 3rd row seats. And this one has a sun or moon roof. And this one is the back of the 5th generation, and this one is the SL. So this is the trunk. This is what you're walking with when the 3rd row seat is up. The space the trunk size is not big when the 3rd row seat is up. You'll take this around. And now, let's go take a look at the Pilot. We're going to take a look at the interior Pilot. Just let me know what you think on the descriptions. Which ones you like better? Which design, exterior and interior? Which ones you like better? Between the 4th generation Honda Pilot and the 5th generation Nissan Pathfinder. So this one has captain chair too. Alright. So these two right here, what I have in front of me, both of them has captain chair. Let me go on the trunk on the Pilot. And this Pilot is the EXL 7-seater. And this is how the trunk look like. Let me pull this up. This is how the trunk look like. Now, by looking at it, I feel like the Pathfinder have a little bit smaller space. I don't know if you guys can see very well. I need to see the size, the exact size, the cubic feet between those two, but it looks like the pallet a little bit bigger when the seat is up. I don't know if you guys can see very well. Just let me know in the descriptions, design wise, which ones would you like better, which ones you think is nicer between the Nissan Pathfinder 5th generation and the Honda Pilot 4th generation. Now let me go start the car so that you can see the screen for both of them, how they look like with the screens on. Let's go on the Pilot. Let's start it. Alright, this is how it looks like when it starts. Now, let me know what you think. Which one you think is nicer between the 5th generation of the Nissan Pathfinder or the 4th generation Honda Pilot. Now let's go to the Pathfinder. Let's start it to see how the screen looks like. Alright. So this is how the screen looks like. Again, let's go home. This is how the screen looks like on the Nissan Pathfinder. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. And if you are interested on any of these cars, come see me at Honda of Chantilly. I have you. My name is Frantz. If you are interested on any of these vehicles, come see me at Honda of Chantilly. I got you covered. Again, this is the 4th generation Honda Pilot and the 5th generation Nissan Pathfinder. Which ones you like better? Which ones would you go with if you have to choose between these two vehicles? Both of them, you can go either 7-seater or 8-seater on both of them. So let me know what you think, design wise, exterior and interior. Which ones would you like better? Which one would you go with? And if you live in the DMV area, you are looking for a big SUV, a 7-seater or 8-seater, come see me at Honda of Chantilly. I will have my description, my info in the description, so that you can get in touch. You can get in touch with me and come see me at Honda of Chantilly. Again, all right. Now there it is. Let me know if you like those type of videos. Subscribe and like this video. See you on the next one.